If you have been disrespected, overlooked, or taken for granted, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 3 powerful truths, and trust me, the last one will change how people treat you forever. We live in a world where everyone wants access to you, your time, your energy, your attention. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. Not everyone deserves closeness. Distance creates value. When something is always available, always present, always within reach, people stop appreciating it. It becomes normal. It becomes expected. It becomes taken for granted. But the moment it's gone, the moment there's space, the moment access is no longer easy, that's when people notice. Your absence has a voice, sometimes louder than your presence ever was. So if you feel ignored, undervalued, or overlooked, stop forcing your presence where it's not respected. Step back. Let them feel your silence. Let them experience your absence. Because people don't always realize your worth when you're there. Sometimes they realize it when you're not. Distance is protection. Not everyone comes into your life with good intentions. Some come to drain you. Some come to distract you. Some come to use you. And if you're always available, if you're always saying yes, if you're always giving without limits, you become exhausted. You become empty. You lose yourself trying to keep others. But here's the reality. You are not meant to be accessible to everyone. Your energy is valuable. Your peace is important. Your focus is powerful. And distance is how you protect all 3. It's okay to not reply immediately. It's okay to say no. It's okay to walk away. Distance is not rejection. It is self-respect. Now here's the last truth, the one most people struggle to accept. The way people treat you is often based on the access you give them. Let that sink in. If you allow constant disrespect, they will continue disrespecting you. If you tolerate being an option, you will never become a priority. If you make yourself too available, they will stop valuing your presence. So what do? You change the access. You set boundaries. You create space. You respect your own distance. Because when you respect your distance, others are forced to respect it too. Remember this. Not everyone deserves to be close to you. Not everyone deserves your time. Not everyone deserves your energy. And that's okay. Because the right people, the real ones, the ones who truly value you, they will respect your distance. They will honor your boundaries. They will appreciate your presence because they know it's not guaranteed. So stop chasing, stop forcing, stop overextending. Step back. Let them come to you. Let them show you who they are. And most importantly, respect the distance. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon.